Hello, my name is Mallory Sakarik. I am recording this video for my final project for MAT-150 at the Grand Canyon University. My instructor is Matthew Waymack. I am teaching a lesson on translating verbal expressions into mathematical equations for kindergartners. So I'll begin my lesson now. Alright, so the word problem we have today is that an apple or an apple tree had 5 apples on it. 2 of the apples fell off. How many apples are left? So I would begin by showing the kids this picture or a picture similar to it. There are 2 apples on the ground, 5 total obviously, just like our word problem. So from here I would ask, how many apples did we start with? They can deduce this information either by referring back to the original word problem or counting the total number of apples they see in the picture. And it's 5. So we'll write down 5. And then now we need to figure out if we are adding or taking away. And so 2 of them fell off. They're leaving the tree. And so they'll be able to figure out that we need to take away versus subtracting. So we'll write minus. And how many of the apples fell off? Again, they can refer back to the original word problem, or they can count the number of apples on the ground next to the tree. It's 2. So here's our equation, is 5 minus 2. We need to figure out how many apples are still on the tree, which will be our solution to this equation. And at this point, I would have my kindergartners count the number of trees left on the apple, or number of apples left on the tree, and it's 3. So it's a very simple example, but it's for kindergartners, and so this is about as complex as it needs to be. After this, I could go over a couple more examples with them. And then following that, I would give them more group practice, maybe at their tables, they can discuss it amongst themselves. And then the assessment would be independent. So I could, see what these kids could actually do on their own without my help. And that's it, that's my lesson.